dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cried. Alright, so Heat Transfer Warehouse had this sent over to me from Specialty Materials. I don't even know how I'm gonna cut this. It's too big for my table. Gotta get my cutter. So I'm gonna just bust it down to 12. So it's color changing. If y'all can see that, pastel colors. So when it's hit by sunshine or UV light, it's supposed to change colors. So we're just gonna press them up here. I have no idea what design I'm gonna put on this yet. I'll probably just make some my wife can wear some, I don't know. But it presses at medium pressure at 300 degrees for 8 to 12 seconds is the heat press instructions. So I'm gonna get this cut up real quick. I'm gonna get this cut, put into the cutter, and then I'll see y'all back at the heat press. All right, so we're gonna see how this weaves. Weaves nicely though. And I hate weeding. Alright, we're gonna get over here to this heat press. So it's supposed to be 300 degrees. So we're gonna check it. 301. 299. 299. 301. That corner's kind of cold. It's only like 291 right there, but we're gonna roll with it. Grab a shirt. So it 8 to 12 seconds is the press time. 300 degrees. Hit that for a couple seconds. And then I'm gonna go to full 12 seconds on the press. 3 fingers. Missed a piece. I'm glad I saw that before I laid it down. I'm actually twist this one a little bit. I'm not gonna put it on straight like I normally do. So 8 to 12 seconds. It's a warm peel. So I'm gonna just grab this rag, just cool it off before I peel it. So I always like to just do an overkill press just to make sure it sits. It's pretty soft though. Just hit it one more time just with the Teflon just to make sure it's in there. This is not in the suggestions to do overkill press. It's just something I've made a habit over time just to make sure everything is in there. So there it is, white. It's nighttime here right now while I'm recording this video. But the vinyl is pretty soft. 300 degrees for 8 to 12 seconds. And then tomorrow, sun's supposed to be out. I'm gonna take it outside and see how the color change is.
Going apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.
Alright, so I'm gonna use my wife's UV light. She does her nails with. We're gonna see what it do. I got the Heat Transfer affiliate link. If you want to help the channel, it's down below. Get some of this dope vinyl. Oh, purple. Look at that. That's dope. Turned it purple. Let's see, there's this little piece is missing. So now it's turning back to the white. Look at that. That's dope.
Going apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.